Hello Nauman, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm presenting a personal video for this beautiful Toyota Corolla LE. This vehicle is fully safety certified and it comes with the winter tires. It's already on the vehicle. Comes with a black leather interior, power seats, power windows, power door locks. Also, you do have the cruise control, the multimedia system on the dash you could talk to, and the kilometers is 93,411. This vehicle is very clean, well maintained, and as I tell you, it's a fully safety certified. If you want me to secure this motorcycle, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you for contacting us.